Hey, my name is Steve Breedlove, and I'm going to be doing two songs with the same melody. And I first heard Also Le Mio when I was a young person, and then shortly after, I really liked the song. I heard Elvis Presley do it, in English with a different rhythm, different words, and his own style, which was very different than the classical style of Also Le Mio, which was done in Neolpolitan. And it was done with a big orchestra, very nice. And so those are differences. And I kind of like, it stuck in my head. It's like, oh, it's the same song. And so I have the opportunity now to kind of like say, this song, Also Le Mio, who was written in 1890s, around there, had its place, and then came Elvis Presley, and he did a single that was the great, the most ever sold. So I'll be accompanied with Riley on piano and Dwight on bass, and here we go. It's now or never. Come hold me tight. Kiss me, my darling. Be mine tonight. Tomorrow will be too late. It's now or never. My love won't wait. When I first saw you, with your smile so tender, my heart was captured, my soul surrendered. I spent a lifetime waiting for the right time. Now that you're near, the time is near at last. It's now or never. Come hold me tight. Kiss me, my darling. Be mine tonight. Tomorrow will be too late. It's now or never. My love won't wait. 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 Thank you to Riley and Dwight. And now I'll do the O Sole Mio in a different key. Che bella cosa, la giornata è sole, l'aria serena, dopo una tempesta, nell'aria fresca, pare già una festa. Che bella cosa la giornata
Ja,